Okay, today on Okie Mountain Outdoors, I just had a package arrive from Westcoast Stihl, and it goes on the 500i. It is the new air filter. My bench is dirty. But they're foam filters. I kind of got excited when I seen these. I watched Gordy's YouTube channel. If y'all watched Gordy's YouTube channel, hit a thumbs up. He's got some pretty good stuff on there. He's always experimenting with stuff. And I had foam filters on my 400C from Redbeard Filters. And I really didn't say nothing about it, but I had the early version of those, and like the glue failed on those. And when I seen these, I'm like, there's nothing to fail on that. That's a true upgrade right there. You don't have to worry about no glue coming apart or anything like that. Let me show you on my Redbeard filter. Now, I did try to send this back. The glue come undone. Now, this was the earlier version. I think the later version, they fixed this. I heard it immediately start sucking air. So I don't believe it hurt my saw or nothing like that. But I was kind of disappointed that, I bought this from another seller and they would not let me return it. So I was kind of disappointed. And I work hard for my money just like y'all do, so I tell it the way it is. Okay, let's install this. Start off by taking your cover off, removing your factory filter, and then you'll have a little sponge filter here. You'll remove that as well. Now you want to save this just in case, just like I saved the my factory filter for the 400. So once it gave problems, I just switched it back. Okay, now it comes with this polyurethane bushing here. It's got two sides to it. One side's completely flat. That's the side that goes towards the saw. There is instructions that comes with this, and there's actually a QR code you can scan and it'll take you to a video. I watched the videos. Now this kit does come with two filters, which is nice. Like if you wash one out with water, you can just let it set and dry, and you got another one to use. Now I have pre-oiled this filter. We're going to go ahead and stick her on here. Pull it. And one thing I didn't like about the Redbeard filter is you really had to jam your top cover on there, and the filter would want to hang out down here and all this stuff. This is almost the same size as your factory filter. It's a little bit bigger, so it'll cause, the compression of putting it on there will help keep it on there. But hey, that's like easy as everything right there. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to put the old, what I do with that little foam washer. I've lost the foam washer. I don't know where it went after that. I know I removed it. Didn't I? Oh, it's in the floor. So what I'm going to do is put all this stuff back in this little box and set it up. So if I ever need that or I want to change out, I can. If I ever was to sell the saw and get me a new saw, I can always put the factory filter back in and still have my Westcoast filter. Well, that's pretty good. I know somebody commented that I must not use my saws because they look brand new. If you watch my channel, you know that I use my saws, but I clean them up after every time I use them. You know, just blow them off. I don't do a big tear down and clean them up, but I just wipe them off, blow them down. It helps the performance of the saw, and it makes you feel better about your equipment too because it still looks new. So let's go give this thing a crank and see what it does. We'll probably do some cutting later. I've been busy. Delivering wood and deer hunting, so hadn't been doing too much cutting here lately, and it's been cold as a dog here. I'm not used to them low temperatures like that, but we're gonna take this out and just crank it up, run it, see what it does, and then we'll do some cutting another day. This thing hadn't been cranked in a few weeks. And there we go. We did get another sticker to go with it. We got a card. And everything I've got from Gordy, Westcoast Styles, has always been top notch. Everything I've got. I might later on get some upgrade my dogs on this. And I'll probably go ahead and put me a bark box on this thing too. But like I say, stick around for the next video. We'll probably be doing some cutting and stuff. Like I say, I'm about sold out of wood. I was thinking about doing a firewood video where I talk about selling firewood. I don't know yet. I've had some younger boys ask me some questions. They're not selling too much wood, and I thought I might do a tips video or something like that to, help some people out. But thanks for watching.